You are not the niche. There's a lot of people on YouTube saying that you are the niche. I think this is wrong because it's only half right. Let me explain with an example. Imagine you said to me, James, can you give me directions to the post office? And I said to you, yes, turn left the next street and it's down the road. Well, that's correct instructions, but it's not really helpful. If I said to you, turn left at the ice cream shop on Fitzgibbon Street and the post office is 10 shops down on the right, that's helpful. They're both correct, but one is more correct than the other. So when it comes to people saying you are the niche, that's a bit of a lazy option. Now they're half right in what they say because there is nobody else on earth like you. So if you go online and start talking about stuff, you're going to talk about it from your point of view, which is very important when you do content messaging. It's very important, but anyone can do that. It's not concrete enough for strangers. And ultimately, when we're finding our niche, ultimately we want to somehow help people, make it valuable, monetize it, etc. So it has to be understood by a stranger. And the best way to do this is to define who you help and what you help them with. So saying you are the niche, it's misleading because it's not the full picture. Remember, you're not finding a niche in terms of you sitting in your bedroom playing guitar and I feel fulfilled now. That is a niche, but that's not, you're not commercializing it. If you want to commercialize something, you have to be understood. And you're looking for your first few customers and you want to stand out from the competition. So you need to specialize in what you do and who you do it for. Have a grateful day.